Welcome to the Tembo Hotel here in Stone Town on Zanzibar in the country of Tanzania, or Tanzania as a lot of the locals will call this country. And this is our room that we're gonna have for a couple of nights here. And this is not our room, but this is the 2-bed option. We have the 1-bed option. So we have our coat rack, which you could also use for Armenian purses, the lights and everything. Now there's not a lot of storage in here. There's just this one armoire. So it's enough to hold our stuff. We don't have a lot, like we don't even have a big suitcase. That might not fit, but the safe is also there. Hey, and then we have the big, I guess, vanity desk with the big mirror so you can do your makeup and get ready. We got our bed here. I think it's a king-size bed. A lot of times we have a problem with the bed kind of being rock hard, but that is a nice, soft, comfortable bed. And then there's a night table and a lamp on each side. And then we got a little bit of a, not really much of a special view here. You can just see other buildings that aren't really done. If you look all the way down, some just normal streets. We can't see the water even though we're very close. We are only about a 10-minute walk away from the port. And this is our first time taking a ferry in Africa. We took it from Dar es Salaam over to Tanzania. It took about an hour and a half, not really much of an issue. We thought it was gonna be actually more expensive, but it was only $30 a person for economy. And that even included a seat, not an assigned seat, but there was plenty of seats available. In Greece, the economy, like the lower level one, you either have to sit in the dining hall or you have to basically sit like outside, and it was like super windy and cold. Much better ferry experience, brand new. Wasn't free Wi-Fi, there was Wi-Fi available, I just couldn't figure out the password. But yeah, the ferry was pretty smooth. Kati gets pretty seasick. She had a ginger soda and she was, fine. She didn't have a lot of, stomach issues or anything like that. And then we arrived here, it was a 10-minute walk from the port. So yeah, this is the Tembo Hotel. It's a pretty good location. And there's a couple of other things around the site, which we'll show you here a little bit later in this video. It has a mini fridge. It does not come with the apples. We brought the apples, and we brought like the sodas with us. So kind of a pro tip on any sort of ferry, just stock up. We had an extra bag just with the apples, the soda. Come back there. We got some some regular muffins. We got some Pringles. We really loaded up. We didn't eat most of it, but just in case we needed it. And then a nice physical Tembo House Hotel key as well. And then over here we have a hot water kettle. We saw this one shop with a bunch of different coffee options. We want to go back into that shop and see what we can get. Even if we have extra from a full bag, we can bring it back to the mainland, no problem. They have a couple of cups, coffee cups, spoon, some brown sugar, milk powder, Araf Cafe, I don't know, instant coffee basically, and Tanzania tea. That makes a lot more sense. So they give you coffee, tea, a refrigerator, and look at this bathroom that we have here. This is like full spa experience. I'm sure there's an echo, sorry about that guys. But you got your towels, Hotel Tembo, custom towels. I think this is the water heater up here. Nice shower, like the rain head shower. Not like a huge rain head, but still pretty good. And then a separate shower over here that you could take off. It's on a handle. Now this is a shower that Joey Cock would approve of. I mean, this is quality shower right here. And I love the stained glass. There's stained glass not only here in this bathroom, but then there's this cool stained glass, right? Yeah, I think that's how you say it, above the window here in the room. You have your toilet, as you do. You have your removable bidet, so you can get nice and clean when you're handling your business, no problem. There are some drawers in here. which is nice. You can store all of your toiletries. Doesn't look like it comes with anything. No like hair, well, nope, hair dryer is up here. I, as you can see, don't need a hair dryer, but if you do. And then there's some bath gel, some shampoo, soap bar, cold and hot water. The hot water heater is right outside of the room. He said it takes about 30 minutes for this to turn on. We turned it on maybe like 5 minutes ago. I don't think it's gonna take that long. We do wanna take a shower, so we can let you know how that is. But yeah, this is the bathroom, and then here's the room. Okay, we're gonna pick up because it's a little while away, maybe like an hour or so from sunset. So we'll show you the sunset view from one of the 2 pools here. This place is huge. This is the area we're in. There's a pool table and a foosball.
So this property has 3 different buildings, and we're staying in this one. I think it's called like the apartments, but there's 3 different buildings.
Habari. Habari.
So, cannabis.
And then this is the second building.
Building number 2.
And then this is the main building.
So that's the main lobby. Is this where we're going?
Yeah.
Okay. Tembo Hotel, established in 1995.
It's really nice.
Habari.
Habari? I keep saying Habudi. It's Habari.
No, it's
Habari.
Djibouti, Africa.
No, what?
Yeah, Djibouti.
Habari.
Yeah, Habari.
Oh,
Habari.
show them the pool.
No, Tembo Hotel.
Yes,
And this water's not too cold. It's like room temperature, I guess.
I guess I haven't felt it. But this
Alright.
is one of the pools. We haven't
The
really
lounge.
explored it yet. So we're exploring it with you now.
And right here is the Indian Ocean. Watch step. It's a nice spirally staircase.
Yeah, we can go up there. But this is the... So they have a little area roped off for us.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this.
Elephant. Nice.
Yeah. Some setting over there. Love it. Everyone's super happy.
And the total price for our room was about $60. And we got that through our Amex portal. So we got 5 times points.
Just go up these, I guess.
Yeah. Is this where we're going? Okay. The second pool's up here?
I believe so.
All right, we're looking for the second pool. Because the first one, you can see the beach and everything. But like no one was there, so maybe this is the cool pool that all the cool kids are at.
Yeah.
Tembo Hotel.
Yeah, another lounge area.
Just look at this view.
Hey, this is beautiful.
How's this water?
Yeah. I didn't feel the other one, but this one feels good. It's not cold, but it's not hot.
Yeah, it's the same way for the other one. But palm trees with some coconuts in it. So if you want to look this way, you can look this way. And then here's what your view would be like just sitting in the pool.
Oh man, this is, yeah, I can't wait to hang out here all day tomorrow.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Yeah, so the sunset can't see right from here. Like we can see it peeking through the clouds, or not the clouds.
Through the trees.
So we'll have to go down there and watch the sunset.
All right, so we're in the middle of nonstop November, so we have some editing to do to get you guys a video each and every day. So we're gonna go do that, and tomorrow we'll enjoy this pool and the rest of this area in Zanzibar. This is WITY Travels. What could possibly be next?